leader here has done. This is information. For some of us, we think that there is a slow pace of development in our state. For some of us, we see how there is a little inflow of foreign investments into Nigeria. It's not as it used to be before. And we expect that Rivers State is a state that cannot be forgotten. I remember 1999, Rivers State was a state that even Lagos State had met. But today, we think that the slow pace can be reversed. I have come here because I know that the current governor, Siminalayi Fubara, will develop Rivers State. I would like to identify myself with that development. I'd like to see my state compete in Nigeria. I was in Ogun State about 3 weeks ago. In villages, in little towns, are springing up industries. I would like to advise my state to also look into agriculture. Like I've heard from the information I get off social media stations, that this government is interested in agriculture. And that is the best thing I've heard from any government of Rivers State since 1999. May God bless Rivers State. May God bless the people of Rivers State. Amen. For we have never been last and will remain first. I think the time for us to go back to that position of first has just begun. God bless you.
An address presented by the Okujaku communities in Wike and Falga to the Executive Governor of Rivers State. To the Executive Governor of Rivers State on the 24th day of April 2024, being the day of their simplified solidarity rally. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSS-RS, Government House, Port Harcourt. Dear sir, appeal for the placement of basic sustainable infrastructure in Okujaku community in Wike and Azuabie-Okujaku community in Falga. With hearts full of appreciation and gratitude for your good works across the entire senatorial zones of our state and in an equitable manner, we, the people of Okujaku communities in Okrika local government area, Wike and Azuabie-Okujaku community in Port Harcourt local government area, Falga, unanimously and with unity of purpose, congratulate you on all fronts. Victory at the polls, victory at the Supreme Court, and victory in the hearts and minds of Rivers people. In the minds and hearts of Rivers people. And more importantly, we applaud you on how well and prosperous you have managed the Commonwealth of Rivers State, which has come through your noble stairs and principles anchored on integrity, equity, and fairness to all and sundry. It is in line with these principles of yours, with which you govern, and our standing as a community wholly simplified politically, that we find it confident and comforting to come to you today to not only congratulate you, but also to tap from all embracing dividends. Your Excellency may be from all these dividends. Your Excellency may be aware of how long and how gravely our communities have been marginalized and neglected in the scheme of infrastructural deployments in the past administrations. While we, the people of these two communities, have consistently and considerably stood with the government in these past years, boasting a combined live-in population of over 100,000 people, of which 70% are working class, taxable, we have regrettably not benefited from any form of sustainable infrastructural deployment in all these years. It may shock Your Excellency that Azuabie community was the only community that did not benefit from the road reconstruction and rehabilitation project carried out for what 20 communities in Falga in the last 8 years of administration of your predecessor's administration. However, based on your legacies in the past 1 year, we are not just aware, we are confident that you will boldly actualize the yearnings of our people, like you have always done, with boots on the ground and walking all around the state. While we, the people of Okujaku and Azuabie communities, have consistently stood strongly by your administration, also kindly note, Your Excellency, that we are proud of a son of ours. We are proud of a son of ours, Rear Admiral Obi Fingesi retired, who has, as a part of state building, championed the support of your administration by joining other elders of the state to ensure both legal and otherwise that your administration is not distracted nor undermined. We, the people, may have been neglected and relegated, but we are confident it will not be so under your watch.
The great people-loving governor of Rivers State, Sir Amopu Siminalayi Fubara, a grand service star of Rivers State. Some people answer that name, service star. They don't even understand what it means, and it has to be service. Service means you identify with the people and find out what they want. You provide what they want for them. That's a service. Then for it to be a star, it means you have done it in a very special way. Then further qualify it to be a grand service star, you must be someone that will sleep only when your people are sleeping. You will not sleep when your people are hungry. You will not be smiling when you look through the window and find that youths are just strolling aimlessly, hopelessly, helplessly across all the parts of Rivers State. You should not sleep if you are a leader. But I'm happy to announce here that the man that we are working with here, the governor of Rivers State, does not sleep when the people are not sleeping. That was why when I listened to her speech, I was saying, I can see that governor's support is an organic one. The people are genuinely supporting him. Not one human being sitting in 17th story and say, you will not go back, or I put you there. No. You are the people that voted him into power. And that's why you have the right also to say that these are the things you need. I want to make one assurance to you. We have received the paper. This paper, thank God you have another copy. We are going to send it to the governor as it is. I would have said, let us receive a copy for you, but because it is done openly, let this open this and be that it is to show that it has been submitted. We'll submit it to the governor. We will not talk on those things there because already the governor is thinking in those lines, in that order. What are the things you have mentioned there? You have mentioned about the internal roads. And it's not only your people that are living there. This is Port Harcourt here. And the people are living there. The governor is thinking about making sure that our people live in a comfortable environment. You've spoken about schools. I want to even thank you that on your own, you made some effort, community effort. Whereas some people, they will go and build school, that they go and steal the things used in building the school and destroy the school. On your own, use your own hard-earned money to build a school, or you are building some classrooms in your community. Governor will surely be very happy to hear that you have done that, and your community will be supported. I can assure you that your community will receive the maximum support. Our governor does not talk so much. Oh. It is the action you will hear. Literally, they say actions speak louder than words. In fact, when you start hearing too much words, it's empty vessel. He doesn't talk. When you see a drum that's filled, it doesn't make noise when you hit it even. My governor is filled with knowledge. You are governor, your son that you donated to serve River State qualifies to be a grand service star of this state. And that's why I'm very happy that you have come to show your solidarity. I want to beg you in the name of God that as you go home, please, you are community leaders. Everything that, even the little younger people that have come here, you are all community leaders. I know that these communities are highly populated. Let every person here be an ambassador to the people of your community, to tell them that the governor means well for his people. The governor recognizes the contributions of your sons who have served the state in different ways. I know the personality as you have called here, the Commissioner for Education sometime. He was my commissioner, I was his Director of Finance. He was a great man. We lost him in a very painful way. But the little job he did in Ministry of Education and in Ajuru, where he was a lecturer, still speak volumes. And we all stand to say that your community is one of the greatest communities in River State. Why do I say so? You have produced men that have contributed in no small measure to the growth of River State. I don't want to talk too much about the man standing here, but I think that you are coming today connotes more than one subject matter. Yes, you have come as a community, but he is a big fish. Thank you, sir, for identifying with good things, for identifying with the governor. I would suggest that even after this, you will still come and discuss with the governor and bring all their good ideas, greatest ideas that you have ever imagined. One beautiful thing about our governor is he listens. He knows much, but he still comes down, listens, and you will see that whatever good agenda you bring to the table, the governor will work in partnership with you to make sure that Rivers people are not denied any good thing that could come out of those ideas. Great people of Okirika Nation here present, we cannot thank you enough for such a great day. But as you go home, tell our people that their governor is on seat and he means well for them. Tell our people, because I know that if out of 12 only that Jesus was having a disciples, one could jump out. We know that there may be some people who may be tempted with money. Tell them to shun money. Tell them that what matters at this time is the people, and that this governor is people-centered. So when you go home, please talk to our people for us, so that the day Port Harcourt will do their own simplified rally. I want to see all the people in Azuabie, even those that will be sick that day. God has used today to heal them. They will all come out that day to show their solidarity that they support this governor. I do not think that there's anything that's more precious than the support of the people. That is the base of democracy. The people, the people, the people, and the people. Nothing less than that. So you are very important. Your vote is one. The president's vote will be one. So your own vote is very important and highly treasured by this governor. The governor cannot tell you go to hell. It's not that kind of person. I assure you that he means well, and all the things that will make your community to smile will surely come to you effortlessly. May God bless you. You have come here, no accident, no problem. As you be going back, this is our good God, who knows today, who planned it and brought all of us here, will also take you back home safely. And you will see your families, and they will hug you and you hug them, and you will be alive to see those good things come up. Thank you for standing on the path of truth. Thank you for meaning well. Thank you for supporting the governor. May you be blessed forever. Thank you, and God bless you again.